Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Google account and launching Gemini's image tool. Once done, pick the image model and immediate output size so you get the right canvas. Next, type a focused prompt that names the subject, mood, and one or two style cues. For example, cinematic portrait, soft light, film grain. Make sure to enable any safety or content toggles required. Then hit Generate to create the first render, so you can evaluate results right away. Once you have an initial render, refine by adding modifiers like lighting, lens type, era, or color palette to guide Gemini's interpretation. You can upload a reference image to anchor composition and proportions. Doing so helps preserve likeness or layout. If artifacts or unwanted objects appear, add negative prompts explicitly naming what to avoid. Make sure to iterate with small changes. Adjust only one variable at a time so you understand its effect, and generate variations to pick the best direction. After you select the best variation, upscale or request a higher resolution render for final use. Then download in the preferred format and back up the original prompt and reference for reproducibility. If you plan edits, export a high-quality file and use your editor to tweak color, cleanup, or composition. If Gemini fails or produces poor images, make prompts more specific, clear cache, verify account permissions or quota, and retry with a reference image. These steps fix most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.